You won't believe how easy it is to create high-quality content using AI tools. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, we'll walk through how to create a complete faceless YouTube video using nothing but AI, from writing the script to generating visuals, voiceover, and final editing. This is perfect for designers, content creators, and anyone who wants to build a channel fast, even with no experience. Step 1. Write the story with Chat GPT. First, we need a story or script. For that, we'll use Chat GPT. But don't go with generic prompts like, write a kid's story. Everyone does that. Instead, give Chat GPT something specific and creative. For example, write me a story about 2 kids lost in the forest, 5 scenes and a happy ending. Make sure your tone is engaging and storytelling style. This keeps your viewers hooked. Step 2. Generate visuals with AI tools. Now, we need images that match each scene in the story. You can use Leonardo AI, Piclumen, or Midjourney for this. Choose an appropriate style, for example, 3D animation or storybook illustration, and set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for video compatibility. Copy each story scene and generate one image at a time. The more creative your prompts, the better the results. Step 3. Animate the images. To bring your images to life, use tools like Leopix.ai, Pika, Runway, or Kaiber. This time, I use Leopix.ai. Upload your AI images and apply different animation styles like zoom, pan, or perspective. Keep the animation slow and smooth for a more cinematic feel. Download each animated scene for the next step. Step 4. Add voiceover with ElevenLabs. Now, let's give your video a voice. Use ElevenLabs or another AI voice generator. Just paste your ChatGPT script, pick a voice that fits your story, and download the voiceover. Pro tip: avoid using the free tier for monetized content. Always check usage rights. Step 5. Combine voice plus images plus music. It's time to bring it all together. Open CapCut or your favorite video editor. Import your animated clips and sync them with the AI voiceover. Add background music using royalty-free tracks. YouTube audio library is great. And don't forget captions. CapCut's auto caption tool makes this super easy. You can style your text, change fonts and colors to fit your brand. Once everything is done, export your video up to 4K if you like, and you're ready to publish. With a smart workflow and free AI tools, creating YouTube videos has never been easier. Like this tutorial? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-powered design and content creation tips only on NeoDesign Lab.